The Tesla Cybertruck has been out for a little more than a week, and the 7,000-pound super truck already made people ready to declare it as a safety nightmare. There is no 5-star safety rating, and the Cybertruck wasn't mentioned in the agency's list of vehicles that will crash test for 2024. This obviously raises eyebrows considering that Tesla usually mentions their safety ratings proudly for all their other models. Given the Tesla Cybertruck's massive 3.5-ton weight and Formula 1 level acceleration, the frustration is unsurprising. One main cause for concern with Cybertruck, however, has been its stainless steel body. When crashing, the body doesn't fold or snap the same way one would on an ordinary truck or SUV, which resulted in even rear axle of the Cybertruck snapping during a front-end crash. The back section of the Cybertruck blew right off, and the side crash testing wasn't anymore favorable. Both Brooks and Russell pointed out that the videos from the crash test from Cybertruck appear to show the car having a dangerously small crumple zone or area designed to crush on itself to absorb more energy from the collision. One of the first things that we noticed during the Tesla crash test video is how reactive the stainless steel material is when put under immense pressure. In an incident where most models have buckle zones, which essentially pancake around the stronger frame to keep people inside alive. In the Cybertruck, the front caves in, the back jolts quite a bit, and pieces of pickup truck go flying in all directions. And that's concerning knowing that it's a head-on collision under 40 miles per hour. The side collision part of the video also shows the doors and frame of the Cybertruck under pressure, for which such a massive truck should not be the case. Stainless steel, although pretty to look at, may not be ideal for crash-safe manufacturing. Crumple zones are essential automotive design features that allow the car's body and chassis to deform and absorb some of the force of the collision. If a body panel or chassis doesn't absorb the impact of the collision, the forces transferred to the vehicle occupants is far higher and much more likely to cause an injury. In the case of rollover incidents, however, cabin intrusion or the cabin giving way under the vehicle's weight poses significant risk to the passengers and driver. In the regard, the Cybertruck seems to perform very well, holding its shape in spite of immense weight. We have yet to see results of Cybertruck full frontal and side impact tests, which would reveal how safe the Cybertruck is. What appears to be peeling body panels in the covered Cybertruck in latest footage may indicate that the testing is underway. Tesla vehicles always score incredibly high points in crash safety tests, so it wouldn't be surprising to find out that the Cybertruck has been delayed so many times in order to meet a minimal safety threshold. The footage shared on X also seems to show that either the Cybertruck suspension or chassis failed during the crash test, meaning that there were substantial forces at play despite the minimal body damage sustained during the crash test. This again points to a very rigid body, which may cause issues for Tesla's stellar safety crash records. The decision to design the front end of the truck with sharp angle stainless steel sheets doesn't bode well with anyone involved in an accident with one. Before we continue to mention how lackluster the Tesla Cybertruck crash was, pickup trucks are not known to be safe as you'd think. A somewhat morbid fact about driving pickup trucks is that there is a 23% higher fatality rate among these crashes compared to those of passenger vehicles. Very few passenger pickup trucks earn NHTC safety pink titles because of their fragile designs. The drivers in the video have been around 175 centimeters tall, and this driver isn't in the normal driving position. Note that the glass line is above the A-pillar window. The big problem when they make the skin of the vehicle very stiff by using stainless steel is that when people hit their heads on it, it's going to cause more damage to them. The former president of NHTSA also said these vehicle crash tests are an industry standard. The Cybertruck's uniquely boxy, elevated front end could magnify the risk in head-on collisions, especially when striking those who are walking, biking, or in a wheelchair. Last month, IIHS released new research findings that vehicles with higher or more vertical front ends are significantly more likely to kill pedestrians. Other aspects of the Cybertruck's design are almost uncertainly dangerous, but they are not unique. At around 6,800 pounds, the Cybertruck weighs more than 2 Honda Accords. That's on the upper end of car models, but some others are even heftier. All being equal, heavier cars are conveniently more force and they cover more distance before coming to a halt when the driver slams on the brakes.